Hello everyone. In this series, we will see how to connect with MySQL database using Servlet. And let's open exam folder and go to Tomcat, web apps, and create a folder. It is just like Servlet program 7. Okay. So in this one, Servlet is connecting with MySQL database. Simple code we will see. And again create a folder called web-inf. But here we will create two folders in this one to execute JDBC code in Servlet. One is classes folder where you can save or you can store the class files as well as source files, and another one is lib folder to save the jar file. Okay, here we need to download MySQL connector. Okay, right. So let's first create a notepad for writing a program that connect with a database. Okay. MySQL database. Let's see here what things are required. First we will prepare a code to connect with a database. Okay. So import the packages, required packages. Import java.io.star and import javax.servlet.star, import javax.servlet.http.star, and also we need to import one more one, that is java.sql package, because we are doing JDBC connection. So here SQL packages are required. Then create a class, public class name is connect JDBC, connect JDBC or connect database. Let's say here connect database extends HTTP servlet, and we need to write a method, that is doGet method. By default is doGet method, right? doGet HTTP servlet request HTTP servlet response res, and throws IO exception, comma Servlet exception, comma, and we may also get one more exceptions when you are connecting with the database, that is SQL exception. SQL exception. Right. Okay. Then here two things are common: set the content type as well as get the string. Earliest dot set content type in its values text/html. Then get the string. Print writer out equals to res.getWriter. Okay. Then we need to connect with the database. So there are 6 steps involved to connect with the database. I will do a separate video for that. First, load and register with the driver. So by using class.forName, here the driver name is com.mysql JDBC.driver. This is the driver name to connect with MySQL database. And second one, get the connection from the database. Yeah, that part also I will show you. So, but to connect with the database, we need a driver manager interface. It consists of get connection method, get connection, and it will come with the three parameters. First one, a database URL. So here JDBC colon MySQL colon / localhost colon 3306. 3306 is the port number of MySQL database, followed by your test. Test is a database name. Here it is always colon only. And the database username is root and the password is nothing. Okay. And it returns a connection object. It returns a connection object. So simply write connection con equals to driver manager.get connection, right? And now we are just checking whether it is established, connection is established or not. Okay. If con not equals to null, then we can write out.println connected, else not connected. Only this is the program. Okay, then close the connection object, con dot close. We have to close all the connections. So, okay, then close the method, close the class, right? And how do we save this? Connect database. Okay, database. And it is stored in Servlet 6. No, we have to store in Servlet 7. So web-inf classes folder connect database dot java and all the files save. Okay, then write the deployment descriptor. Control N, web app, let copy the deployment descriptor from other file. Okay, from this file just I'm copying to save the time. Paste. Then just edit it. Things are required here. It is connect a database. Simply we can use cd and the class name is connect database. And here also cd it is. And simply I can use con and ect connect. Okay, save it. Right, and I told you that we need to paste the MySQL connector here. Okay, I already downloaded MySQL connector. Otherwise, just you can go through Google and simply download it. MySQL connector download. So you can just go to the first link and here select the operating system, or else go to archives and the latest version is 9.10. better you can try with the version 5 latest one, and here in version 5 the latest one is 5.19 and it is platform independent. You can download either tar, that is for the next operating system, and you can use zip. Okay, and click on download. So just it is 3.5 MB data and it is downloaded successfully. Alright, and then extract here only, and MySQL, where is that folder? And MySQL. SQL connector. Okay, where is that folder? Show 158. Okay, it is here, and we can copy these two and paste in our lib folder, right? And then compile it, go to web.inf and classes folder, compile it. Okay. So simply java c final.java. Cannot find the symbol. With symbol do get method HTTP servlet response. HTTP servlet response or ES. Okay, overridden method does not throw SQL exception. Okay, no need to throw SQL exception. Some modifications are required here. One is HTTP servlet response R must be capital, and we cannot throw in this one because this is an overridden exception. Okay, let's see what will happen. Save it, then compile it again. So here a class not found exception is occurred, and unreported exception, SQL exception is also occurred, are declared to be thrown. Okay, and okay, but here a class not found exception, either you can declare it or declare to be thrown. Simply I can write class not found exception, and another one SQL exception. Let's see what will happen now again. So SQL overridden method does not throw SQL exception. Okay, cannot override do get method. Okay, let's by apply try and catch. Okay, and here you can write everything inside the try block. Here there is a possibility of exception occurring here, and then catch SQL exception. Just you can use the reference, and here I'm not writing anybody, and we need to close these by using finally blocks and close this. Let's see again what kind of errors we may get. Oh, okay, again we are getting do get override. Cannot find the symbol connection. Okay, class not found exception also you need to be right. Okay, again catch SQL exception and catch class not found exception also we can write. Exception. Okay, there's any difference, and let me delete it again. And this must be, we have to declare it outside of the try block. Connection con initial it is null. Okay, save it and clear the screen. Type it in. Very good. Unreported exception must be caught or declared to be thrown. Okay, let's try again. For this we can write in try and catch blocks, so we may get SQL exception. Let's do it for this one by using try block, and try block followed by catch block. Okay, save it and compile. Yeah, so class file is generated now. Right, then we can run it. Okay, we have created web.xml file also. Right, go to the server, exam server, go to exam, start this. Yeah, go to admin and username is admin and password is password for manager app. Okay, right, and then here program number 7. Okay, right, and here just I'm going to use the URL called connect. Exception report cannot invoke close because local for is null, null pointer exception connection because local for is null. Okay, let's check the error. What is that error we are getting? And again we can apply close there only within the try block itself. Okay, then this is not required. Okay, we can just comment it, that we will close it later. Yeah, and one more thing, we need to start the server of MySQL only. Okay, then only it is connected, right? So to start MySQL, first we need to start Apache and then MySQL. Okay, and actually we modified some code here. Okay, that we will see. Open PHP myadmin. This is the PHP myadmin, which means we are connecting with MySQL database now. Let's see here, refresh it. What will happen? It is connected because okay, C is missing here. It's connected because here previously why that error is occurred, because we did not start the service of MySQL. Okay, suppose if you stop the service of MySQL, again just refresh it. Let me close this and refresh it. Okay, we are getting an error, that is connection is not established, because it will invoke the null pointer exception. Okay, so hope you understand this, and thank you for watching this. Just started the server and refresh it. It is connected. Okay, yeah, thank you.